Well, we got some new accessories. Let's check them out. You ready? All right. Inlet pack. Oru float bags and gel seat cushions. Two. First, the gel seat cushions for the Oru Lake. I believe they also fit in the inlet. So what you get is a kind of neoprene shell over this gel, kind of waffle-like. If you're familiar with the purple mattresses and the purple seat cushions, this is pretty much the same thing. It's just orange. I would definitely upgrade the pad. So this is standard pad. We purchased the wedge for a little extra lift and support. And who couldn't use a little extra lift and support? So what you can do is put the wedge down, then you can either put the standard pad underneath here, like so. I tried it like this. Again, this amount of padding with that amount of padding, very firm foam, will take a toll. This was not enough for me personally as a cushion. So when we got our gel cushions, what I did is I took out the standard pad, left the wedge, put in the gel pad underneath, strapped there, so I had the gel pad and the wedge. The gel is very comfortable. After about an hour of paddling, I had minor discomfort, but compared to the standard pad, night and day. Now the Oru official float bags, 2 bags, both appear to be the same size. One for the bow, one for the stern. Fill it up by blowing into there, or you can buy a pump anywhere, a little portable pump, and just stick it on there, fill up the bag, and this clip would fit in the loop, the little elastic loop in the front of the kayak and the back of the kayak. Then if for some reason you took on water and began to sink, your Oru Lake should float, because otherwise it's going to sink like a rock. Good safety thing to have. Inlet pack also fits the lake kayak for traveling. If you're gonna pack your kayak in to a location where it isn't immediately accessible by vehicle, you can put your kayak in here. It's got shoulder straps, take it on an airplane, or if you want it in the car to hold all your accessories and everything at one time. Let's pack it up. want to go too? Alright, let's go kayaking. Let's go kayaking.